So just a really misty morning, and I have my FMS CJ6. It's a really beautiful warbird. Misty sky, not really the best, but I mean, I just wanted to have a showing on flight on this one. Let's get it rolling then. Everything seems to be working fine. And off we go. So this plane features both flaps and retracted landing gears. And this is a really sweet 1100mm warbird. Really able also. I mean, I think that lightweight 1100mm wingspan RCL planes are really sweet to fly. I mean, just like the E-Flight Trojan 1.1 T28 then. This one goes around in the sky so easy. Also feature a really nice white with some red interesting pattern also on the prop. Just cruising around really easy on the 3S 2200 mAh battery. Now I know that FMS, they do have, they updated this one to be kind of a more lively colors, but I prefer this like Chinese green and whatnot. It's a really cool little warbird. Just going around in the sky and do some nice dog fighting or whatever you like to call it. Interesting fact was that the first time I flew this one, I noticed that something I'd set it up wrong with the elevator, so I didn't have enough elevator authority, and I just flew straight into a, I think it was like a branch or something on the lower branch on the tree. But it survived, thankfully. I mean, you can do really nice flying with this plane. Really easy just to move around, agile. Really fun. Really do some serious dogfight with this plane. I mean, warbirds are in general very cool.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
And I set a timer for 5 minutes, which is my like go-to time then for most of my RCL planes. This plane featured only a single flap, so it's kind of an interesting detail then on this CJ6 Nanchung, I think it's called also by the Chinese. It's just kicking flaps down. This plane features just a single flap. It just extends from the bottom of the RCL plane. And this is a lightweight 1100mm warbird. And as you can see, it just slows down really well. I mean, it's just crawl speed more or less. Just excellent.
Time remaining 1
Slow
minute.
flying. I mean, it's just dead calm today. I mean, this this sky is not really great for filming, but sometimes you just have
Gear up.
a really
Gear down.
cloudy sky. Well, I seem to have done some problem with the gears then. I have to check that the nose gear extends, but no, I don't have any
Gear down.
nose gear, so just go around one more time then check it if...
Gear up. Gear down.
No, I don't... It doesn't... Well, there's
30
some
gear up.
malfunction of the nose gear then, so this is going to be an interesting better landing. Thankfully this one just slows down so well. Let's try to get it down as close to me. Some power. Really odd behavior from this RSI plane. I haven't had any problems with the nose gear previous. So let's hope I can just solve this easily.